just got a surprise box from Subtle Beauty, and I'm told that what's in this is something new, something that's been in the works for the past few years, and I'm so excited to open it. Here goes. Okay, let's do this together. What? And I swear I did not plan this at all. I'm matching the new bag. Look. Okay, maybe I should read about it first. Refillable, redesigned, reformulated. Wait, okay. Let me open it up. Dry brush cleaner. Can hardly contain myself. Okay, I'm liking the color. So excited. Lip cheek, passport to plum. Definitely going to be traveling with this. Another lip cheek, and this is mauve, one of my favorites. Another lip cheek called Hibiscus Highway. Ooh, sounds very Hawaiian. I'll be taking this with me to Hawaii next month. Oh gosh. Another lip cheek. This one's called Terracotta Tour Guide. Okay, I'm loving the names of these. That is so pretty too. Shine Control, definitely use that. Champagne highlighter, another one of my favorites. And a mirror lid. That's what was missing in the original stack. Let's see what this is. Look at that. Let's open it up. Look at the little brush. It's so soft. There's a mirror. Now when I'm on the go, I don't have to use my phone as my mirror. I can just whip this out. Let's figure out how to stack these babies. Instructions. Do a happy dance, which I already did. Unbox your products and twist off their protective cover. So I'll twist those off. Oh, that was easy. Save an extra lid just in case. They twist on so nicely. I'm loving it, I'm loving it. Okay, let me stack all of them. That is really pretty. Be careful when you open them. I'm a little too excited, so when I pulled it off, I kind of dented it. No big deal. Look at how they align so nicely. Terracotta Tour Guide. I'll twist that one on. Look at this. Okay, let me figure out now how I stack this though. The bottom comes loose with the brush. Oh my gosh. And then instead of using this lid, I can put the lid with the mirror on it. Wow, I am really loving this. Let me get my original stack so we can compare the two. Original, which I have to say is still really, really cool. But let's talk about the Stack 2.0. This is how they compare. So the Stack 2.0 is a little wider. The brush on the bottom is great. When you're on the go, that's all you need because there's a brush cleaner and these work really well. Okay, but the best part, and I'm not being vain, but the best part is I can look at myself. I love it. I was so excited, I totally forgot about the bag. Look at the little bag. So cute. Thank you, Subtl, for listening to your customers. This is amazing.